Today, guys, class, I'm reviewing a really interesting product. This is actually a set of LED lights that are powered by a magnesium saltwater battery. It actually has a magnesium anode in here that, when combined with the electrolyte, which is normal salt, I'm using sea salt here that I got at Walmart, and it says to use 15 grams. I did it by weight. They do give you these little bags that have a little line. I'm guessing if you use normal square fine ground salt, filling it up to the line would be about right, but I measured it by weight, and with my coarse sea salt here, I had to fill the whole bag up, and it worked out to about 3 teaspoons in my case. So magnesium batteries have apparently been around for a long time. The military used to use them for a lot of their battery stuff up until lithium started taking over. And they have some benefits, being that they can be used for emergency power by simply replacing the electrolyte. The main issue is the stability of the anode and the calcification of the anode, and problems with recharging this particular chemistry of battery. There has been a lot of work done to try to get it to be a much more stable battery technology, but so far they have not managed to get it to match lithium's power density and stability. So there you see our anode. In here we also have the cathode, and they don't really say what that is made out of. I'm guessing it's some sort of graphite. It looks black like graphite. I'm going to guess some sort of graphite. And it is contacted by either of these two contactors here. And it just goes straight on like that. But I'm going to go ahead and fill this up with water, put the salt in, and dissolve it. And we'll see what kind of light we can get out of this. So we're getting 1.8 volts with the salt just dissolved in there. Let's see if we can mix it up a little bit more and get more voltage. Alright, now we're getting 1.59 volts. So we're getting about 1.5 volts, which is the same as you're going to get out of a AAA battery, a AA battery, or a D-cell battery. And I'm guessing these are low voltage LEDs, and they can operate on that voltage. And let's see what kind of modes we get with these things. So it looks like they start out in a cycle flashing mode. We'll change the button there. Turn them off. Now they're fully solid on. Flashing mode, off. Solid on. Flashing mode, off. Pretty good. Let's turn the lights off and see what we get. So I think that's pretty impressive. This is my first experience with a magnesium battery, and I can see the benefits of it. You could use it as a backup battery for even a house on a larger scale, using simply seawater to power your house. The fact that they're coming out with consumer electronics that utilize technologies that have otherwise gone by the wayside is pretty cool. And I think this is a great example of both a science experiment and a energy-free Christmas or lighting decor. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a thumbs up, especially if you got one of those geeky science type kids like myself. They would really get a kick out of this thing. So I would recommend this.